What's going on, everyone? It's Ken. I want to let you all know before we start the stream today and before I pass you back on over to Jordan, I have told all my crypto sources to Jordan today. So he's going to fill you in. I hope you guys have an awesome stream. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Make sure you guys hit up that like button for Jordan. I'm going to pass it back on over to Jordan and let's get the stream started.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin chart.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the stream today. It's going to be a pretty good friggin' stream as Bitcoin has broken out of another bullish pattern to the upside. For some reason, my face looks way bigger on the stream today. I think it's because I'm at a different angle right now. Kind of ignore how my face looks really big today. Who really knows why? But anyways, Bitcoin has broken out of a possible, okay, bull flag to the upside. And we just might have gotten the back test of that sort of bull flag here. Now, it is on the 1 hour. You could also say it's on the 30-minute time frame. But still, you can see here how we've got a pretty clean break here. And actually, the volume that came in wasn't necessarily the best, but we did get a sort of an uptick in volume here. It's the margaritas. I did have a few margaritas, so that was a couple hours ago, but still, I did have a couple margaritas. Anyways, on the hourly time frame, we did break out, right? The volume that came in was decent volume. I still would like to see a bigger uptick in volume to kind of confirm the breakout here, but nonetheless, super awesome breakout. Now, we did come back down and wick down here and actually tested that. Now, will we get that continuation to the upside, right? Obviously, we have a big resistance right about like 42,000, right? It's kind of where we just went up to on this last hourly candle. And that's really the level that we're really struggling to break here for Bitcoin coming out. Now, real quickly, let's just jump on over to the 4 hour. One thing I am watching on the 4 hour is this possible rising channel, right? And I've seen a lot of people talk about this possible rising wedge as well for Ethereum now. Sorry, for Bitcoin. Now, the reason why I don't love this is because, I don't know, it's only really 2 touches on the bottom side so far. Now, if we get one more bounce on the bottom side, all right, we can start talking possible wedge here. But until then, I'm looking at sort of this as some sort of parallel channel here. And, you know, if we were to pump we would probably go up to somewhere around like 43,000 to retest the top if we wanted to retest the top again for Bitcoin. What's going on, Ace? He said, salute for you and Bob and with his nice community. Absolutely, man. We got the best people here in the chat and just in the stream overall. So thank you. Anyways, yeah, so 43,000 looking like we got some resistance up here at the top of this sort of upwards trending resistance line, right? And what I will say is we still, and I want to preface this stream by saying that just because I say Bitcoin has bearish divergence does not mean that it has to play out. We've seen Bitcoin literally smack that bearish divergence throughout the last couple of days, but we still have it, right? We still have lower, sort of lower highs on the RSI, and we have higher highs on the price action. We still have that bearish divergence until we make a sort of a higher high on the RSI, which it looks like we could be doing very shortly here to hopefully invalidate that. So we're kind of waiting on Bitcoin's next move, 41,900. We went all the way down as low as close to, where did we go today? I think we were around 40,000 earlier today. So very decent day overall. The fact that we've held up, let me just go to the daily chart real quick. The fact that we've held up here so long is actually very good. Now, normally, the last couple of times on our tests up here, we've gotten pretty harsh rejections to the downside, and we're actually, it looks like, you can see our wick is actually at the bottom side. So this is actually getting bought up. Now, if it was the opposite, right, our big wick was on the top side showing a rejection, then obviously, you know, we would have a different story here. Are we going to see some pumps this evening, do you think? I do. We're going to get to that in just a second. I do think that we're going to see another sort of move to the upside. We'll see how far we go. But you can see that this is getting bought up. This is not a rejection candle. This is a sort of just a red candle. We've been due for a red candle. We dumped and we got bought right back up like cotton candy at a grocery store. Okay, at a damn grocery store. So overall, right, we know it depends on what exchange you look at, right? Coinbase, we've had 10 green candles in a row. I've seen Binance, we've had a red candle, and a bunch of other exchanges we've had red candles. But so far, so right now, for at least for Bitcoin, on the Coinbase chart, at least on the Coinbase chart, we have gotten 10 candles in a row. So for all you guys wanting to say that we haven't gotten another green candle or red candle for Bitcoin, until we do it on the Coinbase chart, I'm holding this streak alive. And I will be singing the Christmas song today if we close above 42,500. We have 55 minutes to do so. Will we get a last big pump to make an 11th green candle in a row on the Coinbase chart? I'm keeping the streak alive. I don't care if all the other exchanges are red. I'm waiting for Coinbase confirmation. Now, real quickly, guys, if we do get a pullback, I'm expecting a pullback to the 100-week moving, the 100-day moving average, right? That sits at about 40,000 at the moment. That's where I would expect to pull back to if we were to pull back here over the course of the next couple of days. If we don't do that, if we decide to continue up, I'm seeing a move up to the 200-day SMA, which right now is at 44,700. We're just dead smack in the middle of those two. So will we come back down to test the 100-day first, or moving up, or getting rejected and coming down, or will we go back up to test the 200-day first? That's the question right now that a lot of people, which me included, have no idea which one is going to happen next, right? Because we've been calling pullback, 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 pullback every single damn day for Bitcoin over the course of the last 10 days, and it just hasn't came. So what I've decided to do, right, is stop trying to call a pullback for Bitcoin and just enjoy the ride while it's here. Yes, we are getting a red daily candle today. It seems like so far. But do I think that a pump is not necessarily going to come before the close tonight? I'm not sold. I'm not sold based off what we've seen the last week or so. Because every time we count Bitcoin out, it just keeps going higher and higher and higher. So until it doesn't, I'm going to stop trying to call it out, right? We got room to run on the hourly if we really want to run here. We really do. 4 hour, we got room to run here if we really want to run, right? Daily, we're a little bit overbought like we talked about. We can stay overbought for months on end, just like we did back here. And same thing, right? On the weekly time frame, I think a test of the 20-week SMA is almost inevitable at this point. Is literally almost inevitable at this point. So we'll see if we come up and test that, over the course of probably next week. I don't know if we test it this week. If we did, that would be obviously be super bullish. And the long-term indicators are pointing to that, guys. We can see our stock RSI in the weekly is starting to point up here. You can see our MACD is about to have that bullish cross over the course of the next couple weeks here. And we're about to build bullish momentum to the upside on both of these indicators. Never mind that the RSI, regular RSI, is also bouncing off the level that we typically bounce off of in bull markets to continue. 2013, 2017, all throughout this area, all the dips we bounced off this area. And look where we are now. We're bouncing off that level. Hopefully it continues the upside. If we break this box to the downside, that would obviously confirm that we are probably going a little bit lower. But until we do that, everything is all freaking good. All right? So just quickly on that, I do want to quickly touch on Ethereum real quickly, guys. Let me just jump on over to Ethereum. We'll go back to Bitcoin in just a second. But Ethereum is having a hell of a day. 2,540 for Ethereum. What a girthy, and I mean girthy. And yes, it's exactly what you guys think. So don't sit there and go, I say it how it is. We're getting a girthy. I'll say it one more time. A girthy 4 hour candle to the upside right now. 2,542, we're continuing up. My next resistance for Ethereum, just looking up, like our next major resistance. Yeah, we have a couple little peaks here and there, but I think 2,629, around that area, right? 2,630 is that next level of resistance that I'm looking for. So pretty exciting times for Ethereum. Now, same thing with Bitcoin, right? You know, you can see here we have bearish divergence on the 4 hour. So if we don't want to continue up, right? If we don't want to continue up, then we could get a pullback based off the bearish divergence that is on the 4 hour time frame. But until it comes, I am not going to call that we're going to get a pullback because I've said the last couple of days, and it just hasn't came yet. So everyone's calling for a pullback, and when everyone's calling for a pullback, may not be coming, right? At least right now. Now, what I will say is, it looks like Ethereum has broken the W neckline. Look here, we came back down, had our W pattern reversal, also a sweet, sweet, sweet double bottom on that W reversal. And we have now broken that neckline, which was right here, to the upside, right? What's our target in this W pattern? All the way up here at about 2,900 of our previous highs. So Ethereum could get a quick move up to 2,300 over the course of the next couple of days. 2,900, and I would not be surprised whatsoever. So Ethereum looks good on all the time frames to me. Daily EMA ribbon, we have smashed our daily EMA ribbon for Ethereum. We're absolutely mooning right now. 12 days for ETH. We got one red one. So at least on Bitstamp, we got one red candle here for Ethereum. But otherwise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 out of the last 11 days have been green for Ethereum. So almost as bullish as Bitcoin. Not quite, but still, nonetheless. I actually do have some Dunkin' today, guys, because like I said, I drank a couple of margaritas. And yes, when someone say they drank a couple of margaritas a couple hours ago, right? I need some energy in me, because after you drink a couple margaritas and you sit around for like an hour or two, it starts to catch up to you here. So I needed a nice Dunkin' coffee today. I am having a nice sweet, sweet, sweet butter pecan coffee. Let's go check on Bitcoin. Bitcoin 41,900. Having some resistance at this $42,000 area, but I really think, obviously, if we look, we don't have much else above us here. At least right here. Obviously, we look left, we have a bunch, but we break this. I think another test of at least 42,500 is coming pretty damn quickly based off what we did last time there. So very, very cool, interesting stuff there for Ethereum. Let's jump out quickly over to Cardano here. Cardano's finally starting to move, guys.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
We're finally trying to go to the moon here for Cardano. Cardano's at 132 right now. And we actually broke, finally, this resistance level at 131. Cardano's trying to move. Our next resistance for Cardano, right? If you just want to take it from sort of your next big resistance that you've had in the past, is at about 136. So Cardano finally could be making a move. Looks like, we broke out of some sort of ascending triangle type pattern here. And technically our breakout target for something along the lines of this, let's take a look, from our top to our bottom, would be at approximately at about 142. So Cardano's finally starting to look too good. Let's see if we can get that 4-hour close above this level. If we dump before the close and we don't close above this line, it's going to be like these other times that we wicked above it. But if we get a close here, I think all is good for Cardano to get that next move, at least up to 136. So Cardano looking good on the 4-hour. Daily, obviously, still looks good. Not the same girthy. We're not getting that girth, right? That we're not getting that massive, massive girth that we've seen from Bitcoin and Ethereum on Cardano, but still, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 9 in the last 11 days green. Still can't complain there. In the daily EMA ribbon, we're just trying to poke our head above the daily EMA ribbon for Cardano. We've already done it for Bitcoin. We've already done it for Ethereum. Cardano's up next. If we can get back above, looks like the top of this is at about 133. So we're only like a cent away from breaking that. So Cardano could easily do that before the daily close today. So looks really good. We're back above. Look at that. We're back above also our 50-day moving average, which has kind of been a pain in the butt for Cardano the last couple of days too. We're finally breaking back above that. So Cardano looking super freaking good. All right. So overall, market's looking pretty good today. We obviously got to wait to see what Bitcoin does here in the short term, but I can't complain. And neither can you guys, right? And neither can you guys. 1,000 Waterfly says 1,000 likes and we get Jordan date with Jazz. I'm a very we'll leave it at that. Maybe we'll talk about this when we start shooting the S in a little bit. All right, seriously. Does pizza have cheese? Yes, pizza does have cheese. All right, real quick. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to answer a few of these questions early today. Ace said, salute for you and Bob. Let's freaking go. I hope you guys enjoyed Ken. It was insisting today. So I was talking to Ken today, and he waved me down today, and I wasn't trying to talk to Ken. It was actually right before the stream. I was walking to get my Dunkin' Donuts, because I take the walk to get to Dunkin' Donuts every day. I was walking to get Dunkin' Donuts, and literally, guys, Ken waves me down. I'm in a hurry, right? I got to get back in stream. Ken waves me down and goes, Jordan, I got some sauces for you. I got some sauces. And he goes on to tell me the sources. He wanted to open the stream for me, so I let Ken open the stream for me. And, hope you guys enjoyed Ken's yard. All right, he has a very, very nice yard. Should we go look at it again? Let's go look at Ken's yard again. Let's go. I'll bring you guys quickly outside. Give me 1 sec. We'll go check out Ken's yard. Beautiful, beautiful house. Hold on. See? Look how beautiful Ken's house is. We just ran outside real quick, right? And this is how he gets all the YouTubers to come check out his sources, right? He puts a sign simply that says cheap crypto sources. BitBoy goes in there. George goes in there because we know George has been talking about his sources. He's been kidding, but I have a feeling he's been in Ken's house just like me and BitBoy, okay? And he's also got his beautiful Shiba Inus, right? You guys told you he has kids of Shiba Inus. There's his 2 Shiba Inus. I know you guys have been begging to see the Shiba Inus. They're beautiful. They're just really annoying and they bark all day. So that's Ken's yard. We'll jump back into Bitcoin here. 41,930. Let's go. That's the house. Let's go. Bitcoin pumping. 41,930. Bitcoin's pumping. Yeah, we're trying to pump. We got to break 42,000, guys. If we break 42,000, we are going to go.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
So we'll watch out for that. We also had Craig who said, are we going to see some pumps this evening? Do you think, Jordan? I do. And every time I feel like every time I do say we're going to pump, we end up always going higher on the stream. So I'm going to continue that trend until it doesn't work out. So I do think that we're going to pump here on the stream. I'm pretty certain. And I've been right the last couple of days. Not because the charts are telling me I'm right. I just have that tingling in my feelings. Rob said, sorry I'm late. I was trolling Crypto Salty. I don't know who that is. Is that literally someone? Crypto Salty? I don't even know. Everyone uses the same damn name. It's crypto this, crypto that, or Bitcoin this, Bitcoin that. So I don't even know who's who anymore. There's Crypto Ball, there's Crypto Shoe, there's Crypto Salty, there's Crypto Picture, there's Crypto Bed Sheets, there's Bitcoin Floss, there's Bitcoin Candle. Like I don't even know how many people there are now because everyone just uses the same damn name. Play the pump song. If we break 42,000, I will play the pump song. We're only $60 away, right? So that is definitely going to happen here. Crypto Salty is someone. Bitcoin Bobby. Gonna put your on space helmet soon. Yeah, if we break 42,000, I will throw on the helmet and I will throw on the pump music. It will be coming. Okay. Crypto sauces too. Tom said approaching trend line at 43.3. Draw it from market top. From Tom. Let's check that out from Tom here. Let's see. We got a trend line coming down. Tom's got the sauces. Guys, if you didn't know, Tom in the chat is Ken, right? So if you guys didn't know, shout out to Tom. He is Ken. But yeah, it looks like we are approaching the trend line. Let me actually go to the daily. This is a little bit sloppy here on the 4-hour time frame. Let me go to the daily on this. That would be much, much easier. Let's extend from our top, right, down. And we are, looks like we're approaching the trend line. Now, you could say it's up here, but, you know, I think you connect it from the 3 touches there. We might be like almost at it, right? Like if you say, take it from this touch, and if you zoom in right here, this touch, this wick as well, we might be right at that trend line. So that might be why we're getting a little bit of resistance here. Obviously, we have some resistance at 42,000, 42,500 too, but that might be part of the reason we're getting resistance here, right? All right, Bitcoin's going up to 42,000, boys. Let's get it. And I can't forget my chicas. Shout out to all the chicas in the chat. All the chicas, spam the chica emoji. I don't know what that is, but there's tons of chica emoji. Spam that chica emoji for me in the chat. Guys, you can do it too, if you really feel the need to. But yeah, we're going to test that resistance level. We break this, I mean, that could be uber bullish. Uber bullish for BTC here. Let's see. Ace said, as a miner, where are we going to mine after ETH? I think a lot of people are moving to ETH Classic, right? That used to be the rumor. ETH miners going to ETH Classic. Link is up big over the last couple days. Yeah, for sure. There are women here? There are women here. Play the pump song. It's coming. It's coming. We're getting pretty close. Link is up big over the last couple days. Could you get a take on it? Yeah, we'll check out Link real quick and we'll get to some of the macro stuff, because Link, I guess we should probably check Link. I mean, a lot of people are Chainlink fans in here. Why is that? Well, it's probably because I'm kind of biased. I'm kind of a Chainlink fan myself, so I guess it's kind of biased. So look at this is our long-term Chainlink chart, in case anyone didn't know, right? Just a classic rising channel over the course of, you know, Chainlink's lifetime. I'm actually going to get rid of this. But giant rising channel. Look at that weekly candle for Chainlink. Now, what I will state is usually we say this, right?
I'm gonna buy the top and I'm gonna sell the bottom, guys.
But I will say is, you know, this girthy weekly candle, I would still consider this the bottom, right? We're so close to 20 bucks. I used to say anything below 20 bucks was gold for Chainlink. But even right now, it is still a great buy for Chainlink. Technically, you'd be FOMOing in, technically, but you're still so far away from your all-time highs. All-time highs was like 53 bucks. You're still at 22. Like, Link is looking girthy right now. Absolutely girthy. So, on the long-term time frames, daily looks really good. I think, you know, just like looking at the basic support and resistance looking up, I think a move to 25.63 probably looks the best here. Previous support, previous resistance, support, resistance back here. So that looks like the next resistance, but overall, still looks super good. You can't even deny that Chainlink looks good. All right, Bitcoin, let's make some moves here. Let's make some moves. Oh, how could I possibly forget? Our monthly chart, guys. It's the monthly close today. How, bro, I'm gonna do the John Wall meme. How could I forget our monthly close for Bitcoin? Well, if we look at our monthly, look at our girthy monthly candle. Like, this is a BGD. And if you guys don't know what a BGD is, it's a big green D. Okay, and you guys can fill in the rest of that word there. I can't say it because, you know, we're on YouTube here. But, and we know what's going on here. Anyways, you can see here, we're bouncing right off our 11-month moving average. And you might say, Jordan, why use the 11-month moving average? That's so arbitrary. That's so arbitrary. I can already hear Bob in the background going, Jordan uses the 11th month moving average? That's ridiculous. Like, that's such a random number. Like, all these YouTubers, all they do is use random moving averages. If it's not the 10, then they just go the 11th moving average. Bear with me, okay? I can already hear Bob in the background. Maybe Bob will make fun of me later, okay? But you can see here, in Bitcoin's bull markets, we don't break the 11-month moving average, right? And you can see even in 2013, where we had that massive dump down, you can see right here, we dipped and hit the 11-month moving average, even in the 2013 big dip that we had, okay? And we go to 2017, obviously we never broke the 11th month moving average either. on the biggest dump that we had 20 in that bull run, we actually wicked right to it here. And you can see right now, we wicked below the 11th month moving average, but we bounced right off that moving average. So that looks really good. You can see clearly there's a lot of buy pressure here at like 28,000, just getting bought up like cotton candy at a local fair, like we like to say. And yeah, so that's really that. The margaritas. Facts. My head is so big today. My head is huge. And I think it's because I'm sitting higher than I normally am. Why am I sitting higher than I normally am? You guys don't need to know that. You guys don't need to know. And you can probably correlate it with Bitcoin, with Ethereum pumping, but you guys do your own research on that one. All right, so that's Bitcoin. I mean, the monthly looks really girthy. We'll see where we end up closing, but you can't. I mean, what a month! What a freaking month! But yeah, we'll hang out, watch Bitcoin. Can't Bob just take over whilst Jordan and Jazz go on a date? You guys are killing me, bro. You guys are absolutely killing me. What's up? What's going on, Jimmy? What's going on, Crypto Keeper? We got JGB in here as well. And the new green deal dough. I love it, dude. I love the name, man. I love how you're getting around the whole deal dough. It's a good deal dough. I like it. I like it. Man, maybe I can start stealing that from you, dude. You can barely sit down. Big head. It is a big head. Oh, one more thing I did want to touch on, right? Our wick off pattern. Okay? Our wick off pattern. A lot of people forgot about it. Now, what I will state is how beautiful it still looks. Now, you guys know I don't love talking about the wick off, but when something does look this perfect, I do have to bring it up. You guys know I made an entire stream talking about how the wick off is so arbitrary. You can make it bullish of accumulation depending on how biased you are. You can also be, okay, bearish. You can also make it a distribution if you're bearish, right? It's totally biased towards what you are. But if you see this and you kind of line it up to the price action, I stole this guy's tweet, by the way, Fugazi Bitcoin. Totally stole his tweet. So you guys, all the people that said, Jordan steals his charts. Fugazi Bitcoin. Shout out to him. Go follow him on Twitter. But you can see here, we have broken our previous high, right? And then technically we should consolidate above our previous high and continue up. So I did want to bring this up, even though everyone and their mother's tired of talking about this, including me. I can't wait till we're higher and we don't have to talk about this damn wick off pattern anymore. But it does look pretty legit. It does look pretty legit. So I think we're here in the phase D. We're going to consolidate above, 41,500 or so before we get that next lift off to the upside. So that's freaking exciting. Okay. It's always a good time in here. Always a good time. It's upside down. It's Wyckoff. Stop saying it wrong. Crypto Kid. Wick off. Wick off. All right, we're bringing out Bob. We're bringing out Bob for the Crypto Kid Wonder. Crypto Kid Wonder, you're my boy, but I have to bring out Bob for you. I have to bring out Bob. I got to do it. All right, guys. We're going to go visit Bob in the basement, and we'll see you in just a second. Bob has something to say to the Crypto Wonder, okay? He keeps saying wick off. He keeps saying wick off. This is freaking ridiculous. I'm trying to enjoy Jordan's stream, and he keeps saying a name wrong. He keeps saying wick off. It's Wyckoff, Jordan. Jordan, it's Wyckoff. I can't even watch this stream. I can't even watch this. This is freaking ridiculous. He keeps saying wick off. Like, this is what I'm worried about right now, because he's gonna totally confuse everyone by saying wick off, because no one knows what he means. This is ridiculous, guys. This is ridiculous. Everyone stop watching this guy's stream. Everyone do it. Please.
Bobby, it's time for dinner. Bobby, it's time for dinner.
No! Mom, I'm trying to troll. I'm trying to troll.
Bobby, it's time for dinner.
You got it. Fine. It's freaking... Jordan, stop saying wick off. Freaking ridiculous. I'm going to eat dinner, guys.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin chart.
All right. Well, you hear Bob, right? Don't be the grammar Nazi. Don't be the grammar Nazi in the chat, or Bob's coming out again. All right? Do a poll. Don't be a grammar Nazi in the chat. If I see any more grammar Nazis, I'm coming out for you. And Crypto Boy Wonder, you're always watching the stream, man. If I ever bring out Bob on one of you guys, it's totally in a joking manner. Don't take it personally. It's it's just because I'm totally trolling you guys. You guys want to troll me? I troll you. All right? Seriously. All right. Bitcoin is sitting right under 42,000, guys. It's slowly coiling up for that next big move. All right? Let's freaking go. But anyways, yeah, we were talking about that downward resistance on the daily. This could be it. This could be Bitcoin's. We break this, I could see Bitcoin going up to its next move at 44,700. Right? I'm so offended. What's up, Alex? That's Bob, right? I have three twin brothers. We have Jabba the Short. We have Bob the Basement Dweller, aka Bob the Troll, and we have Ken the Sauces, with a couple other family members that you guys will meet in future streams. But that was Bob. Bob is friggin' ridiculous. All right, let's go over some of the macro time frame stuff. We're gonna jump back over to the macro as we got a little carried away in the chat. All right, so on the total market cap, okay, I will look at how many green days we have in the total market cap, guys. Now this, we can't even argue about how many green days we've had in a row. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 green days on the total market cap. If that's not bullish, I don't know what it is.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Rant alert.
If I hear one more person say a falling wedge is not going to hit its target, I'm coming for you, bro. I'm coming for you, bro. Bitcoin's falling wedge has already hit in its target. Crypto total market cap is coming up to hit this target. I said it since down here, right? We're in this falling wedge. I said we could go lower. We could back test this downtrend one more time. But I do think eventually this will hit our target at 1.87 trillion. And we are going up to test it. Do not doubt Bitcoin.
Rant alert.
All right, so that's total market cap. Still looking super bullish. 11 daily green candles in a row for the total market cap. That's probably even more. That's even better to look at than Bitcoin. That's even better to talk about than Bitcoin. Qatari said it's going to zero. Don't purposely troll, because I know the difference between a real troll and a purpose troll. Okay, so that's super bullish, guys. Obviously, we're clearly above our daily EMA ribbon. We haven't came back to test it yet. That's how crazy we are right now. ETH 2551 as we speak. ETH 2553. Next target is 2630 for Ethereum. Okay, I'm not counting that as a rant. That's a scam. Yeah, we're not doing a rant rating. That was a terrible rant. We'll have better rants coming up here shortly, as we got a long stream to go here. We got at least another 2 hours here, at least, because I think Bitcoin's going to pump. I have a feeling in my timbers here. Maybe on the next daily candle. All right, total 2 market cap. Let's take a look. Same thing on total 2 market cap. We've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 daily green candles in a row. It's going to be 11. So both the total and the total 2 market caps both have 11 green daily candles in a row. Freaking good. Let's freaking good. Someone said, Carl the Moon currently having a girlfriend is super bullish. Yes. Yes. Carl the Moon seems like a good guy. He seems like a good guy. That's what I'll say about that. All right, so our breakout target 1.46 trillion on the total market cap, excluding Bitcoin, aka total 2 market cap, as well. So obviously, not much to say with that. Above the EMA ribbon on the daily, not really, can't really say this looks bearish right now at all. Just a classic W reversal pattern that we actually broke out of. We broke the neckline here, and our target is all the way up here at about 1 trillion, which is approximately about a 20% move for the total 2 market cap. So altcoins looking good. Fear and greed index. We'll check the fear and greed index real quick. So we're in greed. We talked about this yesterday. We'll obviously get an update on this. I have a feeling this is going to be even higher today for whatever reason. But the fear and greed index is at a 60. We talked about this. This is the highest it's been since May 12th. We're at a 68. So this is going up pretty fast with Bitcoin. So people are getting, I guess, a little greedy, but that's fine, right? The whole bull market, we were freaking greedy, right? If we go out to the 1 year, I mean, the whole bull market, we were freaking greedy, besides one little point down here for the most part. So that's fine. I don't really take that into note too much. Bitcoin dominance, let's check that real quick. Getting a little bit of a pullback here. We're hitting actually the top of our wedge, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. We can't break the top of that wedge. Very, very interesting. Is this going to be a rising wedge, which will dump this, which means altcoins will go on an absolutely crazy run. That's something that we'll have to figure out coming up here next, but this is looking good. Technically, our target of this would be down here. Looks very similar to the DXY that actually pulled back. So could be seeing altcoins have a run if this does break down. We're getting to that apex. We're getting to that apex where we got to decide if we're going to pump to the upside or downside of this thing. So, you know, within the next month or so, we should probably break out of this. Probably even less than a month, because we're over 75% of the way through right now. So look at that. DXY, still, obviously it's the weekend. This hasn't updated, but we know we broke down from our rising wedge and we had bearish divergence and we broke down to the downside. I still expect this to continue lower, even though we had a slightly bullish Friday there. So I still expect this to continue lower. I really do. So 91.50, 89.50, one of those two levels I think we'll pull back to on the DXY. Obviously bullish for crypto if that goes down. In the stock market, it's obviously a weekend, but, you know, just kind of chilling up at all-time highs. Whatever, just chilling at all-time highs. Whatever. But we got 23 minutes until the close. 23 freaking minutes. Zayad with a $10 super chat said, just because. Thank you, Zayad. Thank you for enjoying the stream, and hope you had a fantastic Saturday. I had an awesome Saturday. Personally, morning stream with the members only stream, that was pretty good. Answered a bunch of questions. That was pretty fun. I got some drinks at a nice little Mexican restaurant, and had a couple margaritas. So, and then I hopped on here. That was kind of my day. So pretty good Saturday for me. Hope you guys had a good Saturday as well. But other than that, we chilling. We friggin' chilling. Buy orders are getting higher. Nice, man. If I was a billionaire, I would still live in my mom's basement. Facts. Facts, Crypto Kid Wonder. 5-minute triangles are better. I like the 5-minute triangles. Let's see if we're in anything on the super short-term time frames, just for fun, guys. Because we like to look at the short-term time frames to maybe see if we got something cooking here. Could have something cooking on the 5-minute. You guys love the 5-minute chart. I know you do. Could have something a little bit cooking. Some sort of triangle. We'll keep it like this. Looks like we're trying to bounce from the bottom of this right now. On the 5-minute chart. You guys know I love my short-term charts. Sarcasm, if you don't know. But yeah, we'll see what this breaks out. I mean, definitely have some type of support resistance. So could be pointing to our next move here very, very shortly as we come up to our daily close, boys. BTC's dumping. It's at the same level it was last time I looked at it 10 minutes ago. It's at 41,800. $20 is dumping now. But I guess I'm that same person that always says Bitcoin's dumping, Bitcoin's pumping when it moves literally 10% to the upside. So keep that. Red close. Yeah, we're probably going to get a red close on BTC today, but that's okay because we just looked at the total market cap and the total 2 market cap, which are both on 11 daily green candles in a row. And these ones are inarguable, right? These ones are all pretty girthy green candles. So you can't really argue the fact that these are all green. So I guess we're on the new train, right? On the 12th green candle, the crypto total market cap gave to me. Oh, man. 45K Bitcoin, 3K Ethereum, and a bunch of bears falling from the tree. There we go. Congrats, guys. You got to hear my singing voice again. I was trying to add a little country accent in there at the end. It really just wasn't coming out. What's up, Anton? Glad you guys are hanging out. Anyone new to the stream, glad to have you guys that are new in here as we kind of watch Bitcoin kind of do its thing. If anyone that's new, I always like to state this at one time during the stream so everyone kind of gets an idea of what goes on in the stream. We look at a lot of the charts, right, from a sort of a serious point of view. Probably sense my sarcasm there too. But we look at a lot of the charts from a serious point of view, but we also have a lot of fun here, right? So if you don't like fun and you're going to be a Karen in the chat, probably not the stream for you. We don't allow Karens in here, okay? We don't allow Karens in here. So if you're going to be a Karen, I will bust out Bob, and you guys will like it, okay? You guys will like Bob. And you guys probably won't like Bob, because you'll be like, this is ridiculous. I came here for technical analysis. That's my favorite one. When people say, oh, I came here for technical analysis. I probably see one of those in the chat every day. This is an investment channel. This isn't a sitcom. You will sit down and you will enjoy a sitcom. What's up, Far From Fate? Hope you're doing good, man. Hope you had a good Saturday as too, man. If your name is Sandra, get out. Exactly. We don't need the Karens in here. We don't need no Karens. Waterfly, 800 likes and he never sings again. Facts. We're at 500 likes right now, which is not bad for not even being 8 o'clock yet. Definitely not bad. Need to speak with a manager, please. Shanlu. Need to speak with a manager. There we go. I came here for technical analysis. That's the best one. Was Bob's one girlfriend named Karen? No. Her name was, can't say that. I can't say that on stream. Her name was, I don't know. Her name was Blue Jasmine. If you guys know who Blue Jasmine is. Her name was Blue Jasmine. AKA, that's why she was with him before, okay? That's why she was with him when Shiba was pumping. But as soon as Shiba left, that's when she left Bob. And then Bob's been in this basement ever since. So that's kind of the story of Bob's girlfriend. I mean, she loved him when Shiba was pumping, and she left him as soon as it started to dump back in May. And he's been locked in his basement just drinking 12 Mountain Dews a day and eating meatloaf. So I don't know what to tell you. All right, let's look at coin market cap real quick. We're chilling. We chilling today, boys. As we wait for... You don't have any news today. Not really any news. I might as well just get rid of the news, honestly. Man. That's not my favorite thing. I don't love talking about the news. It's just... I've never been really a news person. But obviously, Ethereum kind of leading the way today, up about 4%. Bitcoin about 35%. And then that's really it. I mean, Binance actually had a pretty good day, 4.65%. Polkadot up about 8%. Solana up pretty big, 13%. So some pretty good movers here in the top 20. Obviously, Solana, Neo, Quantum, IOTA, Sia Coin. Some nice movers here. Not sure where Shiba is. Gonna see where Shiba is. Helium and Telcoin are only the real decent losers there. Even those not even that bad though. Let's go see where Shiba is. You guys know, love checking where Shiba is here. Where's Doge actually? What's Doge doing? Doge is all the way down to number 7. Actually, I think it's always been number 7, but that's okay. Shiba, where are you, bro?
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Let's friggin' go, boys and girls. Number 46 on CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu. We are getting it below 50. Let's friggin' go. Fashad, if you're in the chat, my friend, I'm sorry. For all you Shiba owners, I'm sorry. But we are at number 46 for Shiba. Our goal for this chat is to push Shiba below 50. Okay? And we are almost at our goal. We're almost at our goal. Shiba Inuers. Look at this chart. It's the only red one. Oh, we got another one right here. ICP. The only two red ones besides stablecoins are ICP and Shiba and stablecoins. No offense to all the Shibers out there, but you know, it is what it is. All right, but that's really that. Any funny ones on our gainers, losers here? Let's see. Bull Finance. It's gonna be the bull. Let's see. Any funny ones? Come on, give me something. Give me something. I heard this coin was like going off today. Nothing really good here. Nothing good today. That's slightly pissing me off because I like to see at least one funny name on there. Are you guys making these coins? You gotta be a little bit more creative, man. You gotta be a little more creative. All right, Bitcoin wicked below here and are trying to hold that support right now on the 5-minute chart. We got 14 minutes until the daily closed, everyone. 14 minutes. 14 minutes. We must sacrifice the Doge. Are we jumping in once below 50? No. It's just it's a sort of a stream joke, right? So, like I said, no offense to all the Shibers out there, but we are pushing Shiba below 50. But I know there's actually a lot of people that like Shiba here, so shout out to you guys. Almost 50. Let's go, Jimmy. Almost 50. Pump incoming. I'm a whale. I feel like there's so many people that like are whales now in the chat. We got Fashad. We got Squiggy. We got Craig in here is also a whale. Craig Allen's also a whale. Hey Jordan, do you see Polkadot making a move? Polkadot could. Polkadot definitely could make a move. Let's go check out Polkadot. The dot of the polka. The polka of the dot. Yeah. So if you get it closed above this resistance right here. Right here. 1, 2. And you're pumping that up to the upside. So you see here, you're about to break this to the upside. If you close right here on the daily, that is super bullish close for Polkadot. We're on the fake chart here. We're on the fake chart here. I'm a minnow. But same thing, guys. If we close above this on the daily, I think a move up to approximately, depending on what you're looking at, but I think approximately about 1975 to 20 bucks, somewhere around that range. That's your next target for Polkadot, but it looks really good. Looks really good. For whatever reason, if Bitcoin retraces, you come across like this. Like we talked about, you could have a little bit of inverse head and shoulders action, even if Bitcoin does retrace. So, doesn't look too bad overall. Polkadot, can't complain about it. Definitely can't complain about it at the moment. Super, super important daily close here. Looks really good. Bitcoin trying to bounce. Bounce. Come on, bounce. Bounce. I just want to play the pump music one time. So can we at least touch 22K? Can we at least wick to it? Can we at least tap it? Please? Can't pump without helmet? All right, we're doing a poll. All right, poll guys, should I put on helmet? Yes or no in the chat. If we get over 60% of people who say yes, I will throw on the helmet, but it's only 60%. Only 60%. And we know what happens when I put on the helmet. We pump to the upside. It's happened every single day. So let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Everyone's saying no. Just tap it. I'm gonna smash it. Oh, we breaking down? You breaking down right now? Could be. Yes, always. Yes, yes. All right. I'm about to throw it back on. Bitcoin looks like it broke down here. We'll see if we can get back into it. If we get back into it, that'd be awesome. You won't? All right, I'm putting it on. I'm putting it on just for you. There we go. Oh, let's go, boys. We got the helmet on, boys. We're ready to pump to the upside. About to smash through 42. Absolutely, dude. Hot coins. Was there any hot coins we didn't talk about yet? Take a look. Solana. Not looking too bad. 13% for Solana. Should we take out Solana real quick? Let's take a look at Solana real quick, guys. Solana. Let's see about Solana. Let's see. Solana looks, dude, look at Solana. We know how bullish Solana was before, right? Before we had this like little bit of a dump. Like Solana was going off. I feel like Solana is about to go again. Bitcoin dumping. 41,705. It is what it is. Let's see what Bitcoin does here. Will we come back down to maybe tap this level here? Or will Bitcoin just get bought up like a minu? Right? We know Bitcoin likes to get bought up like a minu. Let's go back to the hourly. We know Bitcoin likes to get bought up. So let's see what happens here. We just broke down on a 5-minute triangle. I feel like it's going to get bought up like a minu. Like minus to a whale. Let's bring out the whale, shall we? The whale is about to scoop this up. Everyone say hi to the whale. He's going to buy this dip. Here he comes. Eat it up, whale. That's a good cheeseburger, isn't it? You like a whale. Yeah, so the whale just ate up the dip. Just ate it up. So we're about to bounce. Want to see Jabba in the helmet? I don't know if I can do Jabba in the helmet. I actually don't think I can do it. Actually, I might be able to do it. Hold on. It won't be a moving helmet, but I can get Jabba in the helmet. Hold on. Actually, let's go check out, while Bitcoin's kind of hanging out, let's go check out Jabba's new room, shall we? That's actually a good idea. Give me 1 sec. We'll go check out Jabba's new room, and we'll put Jabba in the helmet as well. We'll try on Jabba's helmet. All right. Hold on. Let me get my helmet on, guys. Let me get helmet. Guys, I was a moon boy today. And someone saw the shirt in the background, bro. Bro, someone saw the shirt. Someone said that shirt. Oh man, look at his shirt. It's so big. It's so big. Oh man. All right, guys. I'm shorting Bitcoin again. I'm shorting Bitcoin again. I've tried to short Bitcoin every day for the last 10 days. And I've lost every day. I got liquidated every single day. The one day I try to go long. I should have known. I'm gonna start shorting Bitcoin every single day again. The one day I went long, I got liquidated again. This is ridiculous. I'm out of here. I'm shorting Bitcoin again tomorrow, which probably means the price is gonna go up. Ridiculous, guys.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin show.
What's going on, everyone? I'm back. Hope you enjoyed his room. Someone said, "Is this a bull trap?" It could be a bull trap. We don't really know what's gonna happen, man. You don't really know what's gonna happen. Java, no. Use the force, Java. Wait until the shorts pick up. Yeah. Like I said, guys, we are not out of the woods yet, right? So we have fun here, but we got to remember where we are in the trend, right? So I'm just going to get rid of this trend line here, but we do have a trend line resistance here too. Until we break back above our 200-day moving average, in all seriousness, this is me being serious. Yes, like, when's Jordan being serious? Until we break back above this, we still got a lot of work to do. So, you know, we'll continue to look at this over time. We'll look at our upside targets, but what this really comes down to over the next couple weeks, right, is can we get back above this and confirm it as support? Can we get back above that moving average and confirm it as support? Even if we get back above it, right, if we come back down, we can't confirm it as support. It is what it is. But I think we're at least going to test this. We're at least going to test this level, I believe. So that's exciting. When we do it, well, that's the nature of crypto. We have no idea when we're going to do it. We have no idea. Java, I am your father. Bowser said goodbye. Goodbye, Bowser. Goodbye, Bowser. Everyone's saying Bitcoin's dumping right now. We're down like $100. We're literally down $100 from where we were in the beginning of the stream. And we're dumping. We're dumping to the downside. Eddie said I just spilled my juice through my nose. Java doesn't own pants, only shorts. Oh man, that's too funny. That's literally too funny. Guys, we're about 650 likes. Like I said, no more Christmas songs if we hit 800 likes. So if you guys don't want to hear my singing voice again, hit those likes. If we don't, I'm gonna start singing again. Okay, I'm gonna start singing again. And you guys are gonna be like, "Oh, I'm gonna go check out another stream if Jordan starts singing again." Well, I'll start singing again anyway. All right. Is Chris home? Chris is. He'll be home in a little bit. He was actually over one of his girlfriend's houses. I'm not sure which one. He has. Is it Erin? Was it Stacy? Was it Mary? I'm not sure. One of them. He was over their house. But he'll be back very, very shortly. Very, very shortly. And he'll come on the stream and explain what his thoughts are right now. All right, let's see if Bitcoin bounces off this previous resistance and confirms it as support here. Looks like that's what we're going to attempt to do right now. And that could be the bullish backtest of a continuation up. But overall, I'm not really seeing any type of, pattern. So to me, this just looks like a backtest. I don't know. What do you guys think in the chat? What do you guys think? I put on the helmet and we started dumping. No singing, please. Tell hi. Chris is creepy. Oh, man. I'm liking right now. Denny's. Facts. Bouncing and breaking here. Here we go. You have Mrs. Kids? No. I won't. Here we go. Bitcoin dumping. We dumping.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero. Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
We just dumped on the daily close. Let's go check out our daily and our monthly, shall we? I won't be surprised if we start pumping again here. Daily. So we officially got a red daily candle. Perfect. Now we can start talking about the sort of consecutive daily candles. Perfect. There we go. We can kind of reset that, and now we're back to square one, at least for Bitcoin, officially now. Total market cap. Wow, we actually closed the daily red. Look at that. We actually come back down and reset the total market cap red, right? So a little bit of a dump there. I guess that's good, right? We reset the total market cap. Total 2 market cap. Still, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 in a row for the total 2 market cap. So altcoins looking really good. And our monthly chart, obviously super bullish monthly. You can't even argue that's a bullish, girthy, and I mean girthy monthly chart. Okay, so we'll see what August brings us. A lot of people talk about a bullish August. We shall see. We shall see. Will we come back up to some of these $50,000 levels, $60,000, or will we come back down to the 20,000s? Should be an interesting August, I do think. All right, Bitcoin getting a little bit of dumperoo here. A little bit of a dumperoo, as they would say, you know, a couple of years ago. Some reason I was thinking about the dunker. You guys remember those little dunkaroos? We could dip them in some frosting. Those things were legit. They don't sell them anymore, I don't think. I think they stopped selling dunkaroos. So if you guys are dunkaroo fans, you guys know where to get some dunkaroos, let me know. Art says resistance is the trend line from all-time high. Facts. Facts. Ralph said, or we go sideways. Very true. Very true. We could go sideways too. Yeah, resistance is from all-time high. So we looked at that, Art, back here, my friend. Let me go back to it. Let me redraw it again. Makes a lot of sense. Makes a lot of sense for that be the trend line resistance. So will this be the pullback that we get to maybe retest the 100-day moving average? Could be. One thing I do want to know is I don't want to close tomorrow below our previous high back here. I want to make this just a back test, right? So you can see we back tested that level here. I want to stay above that previous high. I don't want to close tomorrow below that. If we do, I don't think it's the end of the world, but still, I want to just confirm that previous high as support and then bounce off. So let's see what we do. Bitcoin getting a little bit of a dump. Not really that big. I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, this is the hourly chart, so it looks a little bigger than it does. But if you go to like the bigger time frames, I mean, look at the 4-hour, guys. I mean, it's literally nothing, right? Look at the 4-hour chart. It's the same thing we've been doing the last couple days. Look at this. We dumping right now. This is huge. This is huge.
Everybody panic, we're going to zero. Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
We're going to zero. Look at how big this red candle is. Bro. I'm panic selling my portfolio after this. Oh man. It's too funny. But no, in all seriousness, it's really not that big of a deal. I mean, we've done this the last couple 4-hour candles. You can see here, we dumped, wicked back up, dumped, wicked back up, dumped, wicked back up, dumped, wicked back up. I would be surprised if we're right back up towards 42,000 in a couple hours. If not in this 1-hour candle. I would be surprised. Crazy volume. Please take it easy on caps. Please do. Please do. Glad to be a red day. That's facts. And people turn bearish in 10 minutes. That's so true. People got greedy in 10 minutes. Yeah, we're already bouncing again. So that was quick. At least we're trying to bounce. Ace said, may you check me this indicator if it's legit. L2KDJ with whale pump detector. Sure. I've never heard of that before, but we can do that. Let's do it on the daily, shall we? What is this indicator? I'm a little confused. Let's bring this up, though. What is it? L2 with whale detector? Actually looks pretty good. Wow, this is legit. It's actually pretty fun. It's actually pretty good. And it's not perfect, but it's timed the tops pretty well. I'm not sure if this is just like the daily RSI and just makes it look cool, I guess. That's kind of what it looks like to me. But yeah, when you do get those crosses, pretty good on the dips, man. I'm not gonna lie, I've never used this before, but when you do get that cross, it's usually when you have the general dip. Interesting. The whale detector. I'm guessing this is when you have big whale buys or sells or something like that. Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. Actually pretty good. Actually, yeah, I mean, the dips are pretty good on this too. I'm not gonna lie. It's not bad, man. I'm not sure what this is, but you guys can check that out if you want to. It's the weekend. We go into zero. And we're right back at 41,500. Let's go. This is called bearish divergence. Yeah. Bitcoin has been smashing through bearish divergence like the last couple days, man. Like on the 1 hour time frame, we had bearish divergence every single time, and Bitcoin just went higher and higher and higher. Right here. Bearish divergence. What did Bitcoin do? Smashed it to the upside. Right here. Bearish divergence. What did Bitcoin do? Smash it to the upside. Right. Yeah, this one was not legit, but generally right here, like you were making higher highs for the most part, and you still smashed to the upside. So, and on the 4 hour, we do have some bearish divergence. We talked about that though. You're kind of in a rising channel with bearish divergence. I already had that drawn. So, technically speaking, you should dip, but Bitcoin does not care about divergence right now. Bitcoin has a mind of its own, like we've talked about in the beginning of the stream. So I'm done saying that Bitcoin needs to dip, Bitcoin needs to dip, Bitcoin needs to dip, because we've been saying that for the last 2 weeks, and Bitcoin just keeps going and going and going. So, fear and greed at 60 again? I'm not surprised. Really not. Mommy, I sold. Who panic sold that little dip that we just had 2 seconds ago? Raise your hand in the chat. Let's do a poll. Let's do a poll. Let's see if the sentiment has changed anything from yesterday, even though we're actually at a higher price than yesterday. I bet people will be more bearish now, just because we got one red day. Will BTC test the 200-day SMA, which is at 44,700, in the will Bitcoin test the next 7 in the next 7 days? Yes or no? All right, poll. Here we go. Will BTC test the 200-day SMA 44,700 in the next 7 days? Yes or no in the chat. Let's hear it. Let's see how bullish or bearish people are right now. I did because I suck and I am new. Yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is, man. It's all noise. It's all noise. Like, a lot of times we're so glued to the 1 hour time frame. Like, this looks like, just for example, like this looks big on the 1 hour time frame. It looks like, oh my God, Bitcoin is going to zero. And then you look at even the 4 hour time frame and you're like, it's actually a green 4 hour candle. And you're like, so you freaked yourself out for literally no reason. If you go to a higher time frame, it's literally nothing. You look at this, you're like, oh wait, it's a green 4 hour candle. Why am I panicking? And then you can go to the daily and be like, We just had 10 green candles in a row. Why am I panicking? And then you can go to the weekly and be like, we just had a massive green weekly candle. Why am I panicking? And then you can go to the monthly. I don't have the, actually I do. We just had a girthy, so you guys get the point. The higher time frame you go, I mean, the less you're like, oh wow, the hourly is dumping. In reality, it doesn't really matter. Just bought General Mills for fat Dunkaroo profits. Yeah. That's facts. I think we dropped to 36 before pump to 200-day moving average. Mr. Pokey Dragon, I would tend to agree with you, man. In normal circumstances, I would say that Bitcoin probably pulls back to 36,000. That seems like the most logical area for Bitcoin to pull back to. But I'm not counting out Bitcoin again because, like I said, especially when we had this bearish divergence here, you know, I was screaming for a pullback and we just kept going. We just got a massive pump after that. So I'm not counting out BTC because it has room to run on the hourly, has room to run on the 4 hour, and the daily even has room to run too. So I'm not counting out one more pump up to the 200-day SMA before getting a pullback. And I think the other thing is I think everyone's expecting a pullback right now. So Bitcoin's going to do the opposite of what everyone thinks. Just like when we were down here and everyone was expecting Bitcoin to go a little bit lower, right? And then what did Bitcoin do? Well, it just started pumping out of nowhere. Now that's when we got the infamous and all that fun jazz the last couple of days. So just remember that too. See a coin going ham? Nice. Gonna get the bullish hammer. The bullish hammer. I predict no real pullback until after we break the 200 MA, and it'll only be to turn it into support. Definitely could be. Definitely could be. Can you check Doge? Check Doge real quick. I mean, I don't think Doge is really moving, dude. Doge has been stuck at like, what, 20 cents forever? Literally forever. Check out Dogecoin. The Doge. Yeah, Doge hasn't moved. Doge is slowly creeping up here. Very, very weak. Very, very weak right now for Doge. Well, as we know for Doge, Doge does nothing, and then Doge does something. This is the Doge pattern, right? This is the Doge pattern. I'll explain down here. Actually, we'll go all the way down here. We're going to do nothing forever. Boom. We're going to do nothing forever. Boom. We're going to do nothing. Boom. Nothing. Boom. Nothing. Boom. Nothing. Boom. Nothing. So we'll see if that general trend happens. I mean, Doge kind of lulls you to sleep and then pumps. What I will say is, though, I do think up at 70 cents, Dogecoin was a little bit overinflated. I don't think it should have been at that high, obviously, for obvious reasons. But still, you know, this is what Doge does. It lulls you to sleep and then it goes. So we'll see what you do. We'll see what you do. That's kind of Doge in a nutshell for you. You're stuck in a sideways between, right now you're kind of just stuck between 26 and 16, just kind of oscillating. You're not really in anything right now because you've already broken your downtrend of resistance. You just haven't gotten that buy pressure in. And without hype, right? Without the meme coin hype, there will be no Doge pump. Doge pumps off meme coin hype. Right now, there's not a lot of meme coin hype. So when the meme coin hype comes back, when the general newbie investors come back, that's when Doge is going to pump. So that's probably going to be one of the last steps here as we start getting more bullish again. Bitcoin goes, Ethereum goes, the large cap goes, excuse me, the large cap goes, the small caps go, and then the meme coins go. So Doge will probably be one of the last ones to go, honestly. Doge is dead. Probably. I'm not going to say it can't pump, though, because Doge can definitely pump at any time, right? Buy August 10th, Bitcoin boom. ETH at 25.36. We got as high as 25.53 today, actually. So pretty nice day for ETH overall, right? 26.30 is our next big resistance. I think we're going to go up there. Daily's a little bit overbought on like we talked about for Ethereum, but just like Bitcoin, we can stay overbought forever. We did right here. We stayed overbought for 2 weeks, couple of times. We pretty much stayed at the top side of this forever, man. So Ethereum looks really good. I mean, there's nothing really else to talk about Ethereum. Ethereum was just a classic. We talked about this before. We had like a nice little like upwards cup and handle pattern here that we broke out of, came back down and tested it as support, and are now continuing up to the upside. So just a super bullish chart for Ethereum. We were talking about literally that yesterday. We broke out, and then obviously Ethereum had a pretty good day today, up about 5%. So we'll see if we hit our eventual target. It's like 2,700 or so. You know, Bitcoin 1 hour, 5 minute, 15-minute poll and back testing the bull flag. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now, and it looks pretty legit right now. It does look pretty legit still because you broke out. I mean, this has been pretty nice support here so far. I haven't moved this line, so we'll see if you bounce here. But you need to get those buy orders coming in for you to bounce. The volume's not great either. Volume's still pretty low overall on the buy and the sell side. Still pretty boring as far as volume goes. But that's Bitcoin in a nutshell. They'll lull you to sleep, and then all of a sudden, we'll go straight up to the upside. If that didn't wake you up, I hope it did. Hope you guys are all awake and aren't sleeping here. You guys are sleeping on me. Meme shills are my favorite. Don't be going to sleep, guys. Ma, I convinced Michael Saylor to trade his Bitcoin for Shiba. I'm hungry. Where's my pizza rolls? Ma. What's your thoughts on ETH price after the London fork next week? I think that's already, most of that stuff's already baked in. You know what I mean? So a lot of that stuff, we already knew that was coming, so I don't think it's gonna pump the price because we already know it's coming. So why, when it comes, would it start pumping? That makes no sense. A lot of that stuff is, if you know it's coming, it's already gonna be baked into the price, man. Maybe case of buy the rumor, sell the news with ETH in a few days. I don't think it'll be buy. I don't think it will sell the news. I don't think it's buy the rumor, sell the news. We knew this has been coming for months. It's not like some new news thing that's just popped up a couple weeks ago, right? We've known about a lot of this stuff already. The pump to 42K is coming. Facts, man. It's coming eventually. Alex said, I'm going to bed. I set my alarm for 42K. Have a nice sleep there, Alex. A nice sleep. All right. I'm waiting for that pump music. Bob's dancing. I'm waiting for Bob to start dancing too. Oh, by the way, for all the channel members, we will be doing the Saturday morning only channel member stream that we did that today. If you guys missed it, or because you guys couldn't find it, the only way you can find it, you have to go to my channel. You have to click on the community tab, and then you have to click on you'll see a post under there. I'll post it before the stream. You'll see it in that section. If you guys couldn't find it today, that's where it is. Probably do it at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time every Saturday morning. So we had that today. We hung out. We drank some coffee. And we chilled. 36K, here we go. SC on Binance just pumped 30%. Interesting. I don't know what that is, man. Oh, Sia coin? I thought it was Sia coin. I was like, I didn't think, I thought Sia was just Sia, like Sia. Not SIA, SC. But yeah, boom. SIA coin. See ya. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. As SIA coin would say. Yeah, nice pump to the upside, man. Nice pump to the upside. Look at this. Pretty nice little setup here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Boom. You're gone. You're gone like the wind, as they would say. See if you hit. Didn't quite hit. You probably get some resistance here. You got your 200-day moving average right at this level for SIA coin. Don't be surprised if you do get some resistance there. Let's see your fibs. Your 236 could be a problem, right? You got 1, 2, 3 touches on the 236 here. You could get some resistance at $2. But yeah, SIA, nice pump to the upside. Nice, man. Congrats. It's always good to see. It's always good to see 30% moves to the upside, guys.
Strap up. We're going
Even
to the
for the coins
moon.
you don't own. All right, Bitcoin all the way back up at 41,600 now. Well, the bears, I mean, the bears keep trying to push it down. They're just not having any luck of pushing it down. They're just not. Like, you'll get to these points where, oh, we got bearish divergence. It's time to dump. Right? The bears try to push it down, and they can't. It keeps happening over and over and over again. And every time it happens, we think, oh, this is going to be the dump. This is going to be the dump to test maybe 40,000. This is going to be the dump to go back and test 38,000, 36,000. Every time we do it, Bitcoin just holds up. So, I don't know. I think at some point it'll come. It's just that wasn't it there. That definitely wasn't it. Very, very interesting. I don't even know. This just looks like a back test to me again. Like, yeah, you have bearish divergence. It's there. But it just looks like, you know, you're flipping your previous resistance as new support. I mean, very, very similar to what you did back here. But this time, you actually did break down below and then pumped. So, I mean, you could do something similar where you break down below and then go off that trend line. But, you know, is what it is. Bitcoin says nope. Yeah, every time we dip back down, Bitcoin just gets bought up. So the bulls don't want to push it down. Java just got liquidated. Now, Java was long today. Java got liquidated earlier today because he was long. He's going to flip back short tomorrow, and we'll see if he gets liquidated tomorrow. I have a feeling he will because he keeps flip-flopping. Today he was like, all right, I'm going to flip. He came into my room today. He's like, Jordan, should I flip long today? And I said, well, Java, you know, we have had 10 green candles in a row. So I think the trend is your friend until the end, right? And he says, all right, I'm going to flip short today. I thought it was kind of weird, right? I was getting a weird vibe from Java. And I probably knew that he was going to get liquidated. And he longed and he got liquidated again. We had a red day. So he's going back short tomorrow, which probably means you counter trade Java. You counter trade Java the short. He's always wrong. So he's going short tomorrow. So I think we're going to have a green day tomorrow, personally. But that's just Java. That's just Java. This is a big moment for alts. Bitcoin finally stalling. Alts recover super quickly. True. OMG pumping. Everything's probably pumping. All right, I'm gonna take some stuff from the chat here. We're gonna just go right to the old Q&A section here, and we're gonna talk about the chat because until Bitcoin decides to wake up, until some coins decide to wake up, looks like ETH is trying to go again here. 25.48 for Ethereum. We should just hang out on Ethereum. Let's actually go to a better Ethereum chart because this one doesn't want to move. Let's go to the Binance chart here. But yeah, Ethereum looks really good. Next target we had up here was right up here. But yeah, 25.47 for ETH. As ETH just continues to just, you know, be so good. It's very, very much like, you know, I mean, obviously it hasn't been that long, but we know what ETH did, you know, between this level last time, right? We were at 20, we're at about 1,500. Okay, when ETH started to go, went to 1,500 to 4,500 in the span of what? A month and a half. So we're melting faces right now on Ethereum. Will it continue? Like, that's why I said back here, like, we kept calling for a pullback on ETH, like from really right here, from 2,000 to 4,500. The whole time, remember this guy's like, we're going to get a pullback. We're going to get a pullback. We're going to get a pullback. And we just didn't get a pullback. It just kept going. So, you know, will something like that happen again for Ethereum? It's definitely a possibility. But I remember back here, it's just like we were calling for a pullback every day. Like, oh, will we get a pullback at 2,500? Nope. We go. Will we get a pullback at 3,000? Nope. 3,500? Nope. 4,000? Nope. Finally happened at 4,500. But all right, 20, 25, 50 for ETH. 12K ETH top this cycle. Are you allergic to VeChain? Garrett, I got you, bro. I got you, dude. VeChain just really hasn't. I don't think VeChain's really been moving though. I'm gonna look at for ETH. Let me just clear this out here, guys. We're getting a little antsy here for VeChain. Like our seatbelts. I got my seatbelt ready, bro. All right, but you know, if you just look at this from this point of view, I mean, your previous daily candle highs there. I'm actually going to move it up the high. I think about 9.4 cents your next resistance for VeChain, but overall, it still looks really good. It's, I mean, same thing as all the altcoins. I mean, you got multiple green daily candles in a row. You got two little red ones here, but you just keep going. You're above your, actually, you're just poking your head above the EMA ribbon right now. Just about to poke it, which I love for my boy VeChain. You're right above it, man. You got, so close. But if you get back above that daily EMA ribbon, perfect. Can't ask for anything better than that. 4 hour, just looks like it wants to rock and roll here. Looks like it just broke out of a, some sort of like triangle pattern here, which should push you up to that next resistance if I'm eyeballing it correctly. Yeah, somewhere right up to the next resistance, about 9.4 cents. Looks good. Nice little breakout there. Got some bearish div. I mean, every coin has bearish div right now, but they don't seem like they really want to care. Are you guys FOMOing into ETH? All right, I'll check the poll real quick. Will Bitcoin test the 200-day SMA, 44,700, in the next 7 days? 78% of people say yes, and 23% of people say no. So 77% of people are bullish in the next 7 days. That is pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy. Though we are on YouTube, so it is what it is. Craig said, can we get your helmet on, Jordan? Get Bitcoin pumping. It's been our good luck charm. I got you, bro. Last time I put on the helmet, it started dumping, though. But I'll put on the helmet. Should we try a new... All right, we're putting on the helmet, boys. There we go. We're gonna party. I'm getting hyped right now. I mean, I guess we could play the pump song for ETH. Should we play the pump song for ETH? Helmet for ETH. All right. If ETH, guys, if ETH breaks this previous high, why haven't we been playing the pump music for ETH? Like, this isn't a big... I sound like Bob right now. This isn't only a Bitcoin stream. This is ridiculous. We should be looking at altcoins too. Why haven't I been playing the pump music for ETH today? This is ridiculous. You guys should never watch my stream again. Like, this is ridiculous. I sound like Bob. Like, we should... If Ethereum breaks, let's call it 2553, we will throw on the pump music. We got to break that previous wick high, though. We got to do it. But it looks like it wants to go again. It just does. I don't know how I've been telling you. I don't know what I've been telling you. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. What's wrong with me today, guys? It's ridiculous. How have I not been thinking this? I'm just so focused on Bitcoin that I'm not even paying attention to my wife. There we go. Bitcoin's going 41,632. Trying to, at least. All right. Come on, ETH. Come on, baby. You know you want to do it. You always do your line this way. I always do vertical. What is more accurate? I don't know. Here it is, boys. We're dumping back down. I'm dancing anyway. I'm dancing anyway. I don't care. Let's go, boys. Let's freaking go. We dumped back down, but I was going to dance anyway because that's what we do here. Got to fix the helmet, but let's friggin' go. DeFi is starting to pump. DeFi is pumping. Let me fix my thing here. There we go. Good to go. Oh, I'm a lobster. Oh, I'm back. Here we go. All right. 41,583 for Bitcoin, and Ethereum's at 2,545. Got a little pullback as start as we did that. Fogging up the helmet. The new green deal, though. Very true, man. ADA gonna hit 1.5. Where's ADA? Looks like VeChain's going up again. 9 cents for VeChain. Should we play the pump music for VeChain? Guess we just have a party in here for altcoins. VeChain trying to go right now. What's pumping right now, guys? Thoughts on KuSwap? All right. Love the helmet, dude. I kind of want to play the pump music for VeChain. I don't know. I'm feeling it. VeChain's going right now. There goes V. We're doing it. Dot's pumping too. I'm gonna get my workout in. Here we go. We're gonna dance for all the altcoins here. Dot is going too. All right, let's do it again. Screw it. It's altcoin stream today, fellas and ladies. It's altcoin stream today. We're gonna party. Altcoin stream today, everyone. It's been Bitcoin, but it's altcoins today. Let's go. All right, Bitcoin and Ethereum are chilling, but it seems like altcoins are doing their thing right now at the moment. Fuck, everything pumping foos. Chainlink. Someone said Chainlink was going too. Bro. We got to do it again. If Chainlink breaks up here, we'll go for it. Which it looks like it wants to. Looks like we tested down here, and it looks like it wants to go again. But yeah, Chainlink looks like about to blow too on the hourly. I mean, classic back test, previous resistance, and now you're coming up. How could you possibly not think this is going to pump right now? What else is pumping, guys? Link at 23. Yeah, Link. Bitcoin chilling, ETH chilling. I feel like Link's about to go. I really do. I don't want to get off Link. I really think it's about to go. BTT. BTT about to go too. Bro, You get a better one. Bro. BTT about to break that resistance too. I mean, you're right at resistance for BTT. You might get rejected here. You might get rejected here. Or you might not. Or you might not. I don't know. Bitcoin's selling down. It seems like the altcoins want to move right now. But you're right at that resistance, man. It looks like it wants to do it. It's eating up those sell orders pretty well. It really is. Bobcoin pumping, Bat is pumping, Matic is pumping. You guys are saying everything's pumping right now. Matic was pumping. Looks like it kind of died down a little bit. But Matic, yeah, Matic could shoot up here now too. He trying to go. Bitcoin chilling. Matic. Yeah, Matic. 108 for Matic. And if you just look at it in the hourly, in theory here, I mean, you broke this resistance. Looks like you came back down and back tested it on the wick. So in theory, I mean, you should. Actually, kind of already did, but, you know, 110 should be at least be coming. If not, you know, your next resistance, which looking up might, yeah, it's probably just this top wick up here. Because you have a couple touches on that. So, yeah, Matic looks good too. We'll see if Matic continues up. Everyone's spamming their altcoins now. Oh, man. BAT is up 13%. Nice, man. Comp, BTT, Link, Bull Flag. Yeah, everything's pumping right now, guys. Everything is pumping right now, okay? Give me a breath. I've been dancing like crazy. I want to get Bob on here. Bring Bob. Give me something that's pumping. What else? People are saying basic attention token. Check this out. Holy moly. Holy moly. We're bringing out Bob. We're bringing out Bob. Bob's got to dance to this one. Bobby. 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 It's time for dinner. Time for dinner, boys. All right, it's Bobby. BTT. Look at that. All right, BAT. Nice move for BAT on the 1 hour. How big of a pump is that on the 1 hour? You got a 10% move in 38 minutes. What a pump for basic attention token. That's crazy. That's literally crazy. That's actually a pretty nice pump. That's legit. And you came up and tagged. You tagged this previous high here. 1, 2, tagged it. So in theory, if you were to break that, your next resistance would be 83 cents for BAT. So what a nice move for BAT. Let's friggin' go. Another altcoin doing pretty well. Bitcoin trying to move again. ETH. Let's go check out ETH. Where's my boy ETH? 25.49 for ETH. We're going again. Are we go? Chat. Spam the Ethereum. All the members in the chat. Spam the Ethereum symbol. If we're about to break another high for Ethereum once again on stream. Today is all about Ethereum and altcoins. Bitcoin's chilling, but these altcoins, they don't want to chill right now. They don't want to chill. 25,250 for Ethereum as we speak. Bitcoin continues to pump. Bitcoin 41.65, starting to get some upward momentum as we get close to slowly but surely getting back up here towards 42,000. I'm telling you guys, we were talking about this before. Bullish back test of the bull flag, right? Bullish back test. Bitcoin comes back into it, bounces right off of it. Not going to say we're going to continue the bounce, but really freaking good, man. Really freaking good. Give me all the Ethereums, baby. Let's go. ETC. Oh, we got Alabama John spamming Cardano. We got Alabama John just being that guy. We got Jordan spamming Cardano. It's the Cardano versus Ethereum fight. The fight that will never, ever, ever go away. Because they're just pure, and I mean pure rivals at the moment. All right. Oh, we need the helmet back on. I'm about to ruin the entire thing because the helmet's not back on, guys. The helmet is why we're pumping. There we go. Ever since we have the helmet back on, we're doing all right. We're doing all right. All right, 25.50 for ETH again. Come on, ETH. You know you want to keep going up, my lovely, lovely life. And you guys can thank me for Ethereum pumping, by the way, the last couple of days, because I have been. I'm telling you, me and ETH, I'm telling you, she's a very, very happy wife right now. She is beyond happy, right? And like I said, there's a reason why I'm higher up today. There's a big reason why I'm higher up today on stream. And I'm bigger. Oh man, that's gold. That's gold. Hollow chain. Look at DOT again. Everything's pumping right now, guys. I'm trying my best to go through all these alts, but at the same time, I don't want to miss the Ethereum pump. DOT, dude. Bro. DOT just went on a liftoff, bro. What just happened to DOT? Bro. Holy crap, man. DOT, dude. Wow. DOT just went from like 17 bucks to 19 bucks in the span of like 5 seconds, bro. That was like a Bitcoin pump. DOT is finally alive. Holy moly. We just drew this resistance too. Like we literally just drew this resistance and we went up to that resistance. Holy moly. Link's taken off too. Bro. Let's go check out Chainlink. All right, Chainlink. Chainlink also testing this high here. Let's see if Chainlink can break its all-time. It's not all-time highs, but its highs for the stream today. Let's friggin' go. Just made 700 from DOT. Sheesh. There you go, Adam. That's what I'm talking about.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Bitcoin, see, with Bitcoin kind of chills and goes up slightly, the altcoins are going off. ETH. Bro. I'm about to get a workout tonight. ETH about to go again. Link's about to go. All these alts are about to go. All these alts. ETH is right at the next high. I'm trying my best, guys. There's so many altcoins. I don't know what to do. All right, there goes Link. Link the Slink is about to turn into Link the Pink. Why is it going to turn to Link the Pink? Because it's about to hit this trend line. This pink trend line. Link the Pink. We're about to hit 25.63 for Link. I'm calling it. There goes Ethereum. 25.60 for ETH. Link. There goes Link. There goes Link the pink. Let's go, boys. It's altcoin day. It's altcoin. I don't know if I can call it altcoin season. That's a little bit too much, but it's altcoin day. Let's get it. Literally altcoin day. Oh, let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Guys, spam up those likes for me. Let's get up to 1,000 likes. If we get up to 1,000 likes, ETH will get up to 2,600 tonight. ETH will get 2,600 if we hit 1,000 likes on today's stream. Dot, it's insane. Link's been chilling. ETC. Guys keep saying Ethereum Classic. Yeah, ETC's going doing too. 53,678 for ETC. We going like a skyrocket here for ETC. ETC could be magic, yeah. I mean, if you break this previous high, I mean, next resistance is $59 for Ethereum Classic, dude. So we'll see if we go up there. All right, screw it. I'm doing it. All right, Ethereum Classic going up to Bitcoin, trying to go back up again. Here goes, dude. ETH's about to go off too. Man. Altcoins going nuts right now. Going absolutely nuts. Look at ETH. Look at ETH. Bro. Dude, I don't know if I can dance anymore. Like I'm out of breath here. Yeah, look at Link. What did I short? Why did you guys tell me to short? I get it wrong every day. Yesterday I longed, we had a red day. And of course the one day I short. The one day I short. Well, the first day I go back to shorting. Of course. Of course we start pumping today. I get it wrong every single day. I don't know what to do. Guys. You guys got any tips for me in the chat? I get it wrong every day. Jordan even said it on stream that I was going to get liquidated again, and I did. Give me... It's ridiculous. Let's go look at Ethereum. I'm gonna put Jordan back on. This is... It's ridiculous. Look at how big my shirt is. Look at how... Look at how big my shirt is. Look at the shirt. Look at the shirt hanging on the wall. Look at the shirt. Oh man, the shirt, bro. The shirt. All right, we're getting out of here.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin chart.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm literally dead. All right. Bitcoin back up to 41,700. We're slowly making our way back up here for ETH. Oh man. That's too good. That's too good. Oh man. All right. Yeah, so Bitcoin trying to go back away up. Ethereum keeps going. Link looks like it's trying to break that high. ETH Classic had a nice pump there. We'll see if Bitcoin starts to steal the show here, as you saw altcoins really take off there. Oh man. Oh man. Mamba said, yo, ADA and Link moon time. Yup, we saw it, Mamba. We all pumped the upside. Link making moves again. Say IR. Yup, we're making moves, bro. Sky said, yo, you think Cake will go again? It probably just did. We'll check it in a second, my friend. We all knew DOT was about to go off. Next stop, $50. DOT looking pretty good, man. And no joke, look at XRP, Link, ADA one more time for me. We just looked at Link here, ADA. We looked at ADA. ADA was doing all right. I'm actually going to change this one over to XRP. XRP going again too. So XRP could test the top of this wedge here at about 77 cents. So XRP looking pretty good. We'll see if you continue up here. I think you will. And then someone asked for cake, because we want the cake and we want to eat it too. Look at cake. Look at pancake. Testing its previous local high. Boom. You break this previous local high. Oh, I like the pink. The pink really stands out. It's actually kind of nice. Testing this previous high here. You break this. I mean, just theoretically, next target's up here and next high at 1797. Looks good. You got some room to run the 4 hour. You're getting a little bit overbought, but cake looks pretty good, man. On the daily, you're seeing all these altcoins starting to break these W reversal patterns. Look at this. You break this neckline, another W, which your target would be all the way up here at 2140. You're seeing all the altcoins doing this. All of them. Look at BTC. The bulls, the whales. Let's get a whale in the chat. The whale on the screen here. The whales coming in, scooping up that dip. I told you guys, say everyone wave to the whale. Scooping up that dip that we were talking about like, what, 20, 30 minutes ago? And there it is. We're right back to where we were before. So there's that. ETH just keeps going. Man, like I said, I told you guys, Ethereum, like when Ethereum starts going, it starts going, bro. And it takes names, it beats people, and it takes names. Breaking out of this W pattern was no joke. Was no joke. Boom, 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 breakout. And where is this going to stop? Who knows? But obviously a great, great, great first step here for Ethereum. Making a new higher high. Perfect. Okay. We also had a bearish pattern here for Ethereum. We also had kind of a wedge that was forming. And Ethereum just said, literally,
nope. Nope.
And just screamed out to the upside. As it right now is continuing to go up here. 25.69 right now. Bitcoin 41.750. And Kate keeps going. Link looks like it wants to keep going. Should be an interesting night. You know? 25.71. Bro. Let's go. Let's get it. All the bears. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, little bears. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, all the bears. Congrats, congrats. We burn it up. We burn it up. We're pushing 41,800. Slowly but surely making our way back up to 4,200 for 42,000 for Bitcoin while we let the altcoins run here. Slowly but surely. There goes Link again. 23.47 for Link. Let's go. All the suits. Zzzt. 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 Let's go. Friggin' go. All the suits coming off right now. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. You see this McDonald's hat, guys? You see this McDonald's hat? I told you, I'm taking this off once Bitcoin breaks. Okay, now we haven't done it yet, right? So I'm not gonna get too ahead of myself. But once Bitcoin breaks the 200-day SMA, that's when I'm throwing this hat out and I'm quitting McDonald's. Okay? Now we got a lot of work to do. 44,750. But I am quitting McDonald's if Bitcoin breaks 44,750, aka the 200-day SMA. Right? I'm throwing this in the trash. I'm never wearing it again. So let's all pray for me. Obviously, we'll all pray. We'll all pray for each other. I'm just watching the hat bounce up and down. It's kind of oddly satisfying. It's really oddly satisfying. But we're getting there. We're getting there, my friends. All right. Let's see. Tisubar with the 200 NGN super chat. Not sure what that is, my man, but appreciate the you enjoying the stream and just hanging out with us. 25.70 right now for BTC, by the way, or for ETH. Because ETH kind of makes its moves at the moment. We're almost at 1,000 likes, guys. We got 25 likes until we hit 1,000. Can we hit 1,000 in the next 5 minutes? I'm pretty sure we can. That's kind of a low bar. I'd probably rather say a minute. Bro, please, can you check out Neo and RSI going bearish? Ace, I got you, my friend. Go check out Neo. Oh, Neo dumping right now. Neo is going down. Everything else is pumping. You check Neo, the RSI going bearish. Yeah, I mean, you're getting a pullback. I mean, if you look at Neo, you were pumping like crazy, man. The RSI got all the way up to like an 84 on the 4 hour. So you were due for a pullback here. And that's what you're getting. But it's kind of interesting how this is dumping and everything else is pumping right now. Kind of just the ebbs and flows of it, right? Neo already had its pump. It's letting the other coins go. Letting the other coins go. So not a big deal. You know, if you do pull back, you know, maybe 38.42, right? Your previous high, and you come back down and bounce off that area and continue up. But nonetheless, you're fine, man. Yeah, Neo already had its pump. Neo already had its pump. Let's see. Tom Brady is laserized. He is. Who will fix the ice cream machine? I don't know. It's all downhill for McDonald's. Keep your McDonald's job for the bear market. True. I can't burn my bridge. Right? Here goes ETH. ETH. WTF is Doge doing? It's supposed to go to the moon, not the sewers. That's pretty true, man. That's absolute facts. NKA pumping. Can you check it out? NKN? Sure, we can check NKN. I think everything is pumping right now, guys. Yeah, I'm not even kidding. Yeah, NKA doing well right now. Doing very well. One, two, three, 4 touches on the downside. And it was a classic. Whoops. It was a classic Up and handle breakout, back tested it. Now you're just trying to bounce off of it. So very, very classy. You got room to run on the 4 hour if you really want to. Next resistance, in theory, should be, right? This is obviously theory. You guys know I love my theories here. Right about there, right? High, low, low, low. Look for 28.4 approximately. You do have a little bit of bearish divergence, so keep that in mind. But every altcoin has bearish divergence right now, and they're all not caring. They're all are just literally telling Satoshi,
Nope. Nope.
So keep that in mind. All right, new hourly for Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin does in new hourly. Same thing with Ethereum. ETH is getting worn out. Yeah, she's all right. She's all right. Let's see what Bitcoin does, though. Whataburger. DCA your wages in Bitcoin from McDonald's, and you'll have more wealth than kids stuck in college right now. Facts. Facts. Jazz, what's up, Jazz? Guess who's late again? Phone calls are going to ruin my crypto. Jazz, we know you're not on phone calls. All right? I've been asking what his name is, and you haven't been really telling me. You haven't been really honest to me. Okay? Honesty is the best policy, as we all know. I'm a little salty, you know? But it is what it is. I'll get over it. I'll get over it. The new green dildo said true. Rod said jazz. We got 1K likes. You guys are too funny in the chat. Too funny. What? Oh, the BTC shorts. We'll look at the BTC shorts. You want to look at the shorts? If you guys didn't know, I had the best Boston accent in the game. I don't think I have an accent. People say I do, though. And it kind of confuses me. Look at the shorts. Let's go to the daily. The shorts are dropping like flies, right? So normally you would think that the shorts are going to go up, but they're actually going down. So people are afraid to short, except Java the short. Java the short is the only one, okay? Is the only one, right? That is shorting right now. So keep that in mind. Always counter trade Java. Jack, what's up, Jack? He said, can you look at XLM? And shorted ETH at 2552 and 8 at 133. Think I'm crazy. I mean, yeah, you're already down. You're down pretty significantly right now. I don't know if you have a stop loss in. I mean, you shorted right there. Yeah, well, 1% down on that one, and same thing with ADA. I think you're a little crazy right now. I wouldn't be shorting right now. It just doesn't just make sense to me to short Ethereum right now. I think it's going to test at least 26, 23. Obviously, do your own research, right? I could pull back here, but I don't think it makes sense to short right now. It's too dangerous to short right now. Why would you short something that looked like this? You know, this is what I understand about. We know how crypto works. Crypto is a very sentiment-driven, you know, space. Why would you short this, right? That's just asking to get wrecked. And I'm not calling anyone out that's shorting this right now, but shorting this chart right here, and this is not financial advice, do your own research. Shorting this chart right here is just asking for trouble. Why would you short something that had this many green candles in a row? Yes, I know that the odds are you're going to have a red candle here, but that just doesn't make any sense to me. Obviously, you do you, right? But the trend is your friend till the end, and this just looks uber bullish to me. No matter if you are due for a red candle, who knows how many green candles you're going to have in a row? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in a row for ETH as of right now. 12. We're talking 12 green candles in a row for Ethereum. That's no joke. No joke. You know you have to wear the helmet to bed, right? Yes, Pet. Pet Brett. Oh, what a name, bro. Pet Brett? That might be better than Devontae Duke. Let's go. I will call them out. Shorting right now is a moron's game. Doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense to short. Like, I get it, but it is what it is. It's like the same thing as trying to catch a falling knife on the downside, right? You're trying to catch a rising knife, which is probably even worse, especially for crypto, because we know crypto in general goes up over the long term. Trend is your friend. Can you look at XLM? Yeah, XLM is probably super bullish right now too. There goes Bitcoin. Bitcoin's like is being like a little creep right now. It's like all the altcoins are stealing the show, and then there's Bitcoin behind them being that creeper. It was like like Bitcoin just like slowly creeping back up to 42,000. He's like, I hope no one notices. While all the altcoins are popping off, Bitcoin's like, la-di-da, la-di-da. I'm just going to make my way back to 42,000 and no one's going to notice. And all of a sudden we're back at 41,800 when everyone was calling dump an hour ago. But no one notices because everyone's looking at alts. And now we're going to be right back at 42,000 and literally at this pace, you know, in a little bit. But yeah, I mean, did I miss? Seriously though, isn't Bitcoin being like a little creeper right now? Like it's kind of hiding behind everyone else. Bitcoin. All right. ETH is going again, 25.68. ETH is the beast right now. As Ecoms would say in the chat, ETH is the beast. She's my beast. And you guys, like I always keep saying, you guys can thank me for Ethereum pumping. Because I've been laying it good on ETH. All right? Man, what are we doing? All right. What do you think? Do we even look at XLM? Like I keep saying I'm gonna look at XLM and I just keep not doing it. So let's look at XLM. Yeah, XLM broke this resistance too, man. XLM's off to the races. Broke this resistance, previous support, and we are going up to the upside. So you know, typically next resistance would be let's see, support, some resistance back here. I'd say 31.3 is the next resistance for XLM. XLM looking good. You guys know I always make fun of XLM. Do I still have the XLM stablecoin on here? Let me see.
That's an XLM stablecoin.
I do. I don't know if you guys can hear it.
That's an XLM stablecoin.
XLM's not really being a stablecoin right now. So really good for XLM. Really good for XLM. Starting to make some moves. Here's Bitcoin, 41,875. That little creeper. That little creeper in the back making its way up. Let's go. You already forgot Cardano? We did Cardano, man. We did Cardano already. Been pumping. Mommy, when he slaps his hand, what did it mean? That's funny. The New Green Deal, though. That's the best name in the game, by the way. The New Green Deal, though. All right. That little creeper, man. ETH. Bro. I'm doing it. Let's go. Oh, man. I'm running out of energy here, guys. I don't know if I can handle any more pumps. This is ridiculous. This is friggin' ridiculous. 25.74 right now for ETH. Bitcoin 41,902. We hit 41.9. Bitcoin's going back up to test 42,000 as we speak right now. What do I always say, guys? Bitcoin looks like it's going to dump on the technicals. Does Bitcoin care? No. Bitcoin does not care what any of us think. We've said it the last couple of days. I'll say it again. If we break 42,000 tonight, I will not be surprised, even though we have bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. I won't be surprised. So let's see what happens here. That little creeper. That's too funny, dude. The little creeper. Bitcoin. Oh, I'm a lobster. I'm a lobster. There we go. We're good to go. ETH 2577 for ETH. Let's go. Keep pumping her. We are some weirdos here. Like I gotta admit, like we got the best stream in the game here. We got literally the best stream in the game. But what I will say is we have a lot of weirdos in here. But it's okay because I'm a weirdo too. It wouldn't be the same if it wasn't weirdos. I'm gonna change the name of the stream here. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Pumping plus monthly close. Let's go. 25.7. Sneaky BTC. It's sneaking up. Sneaking up there. Can you look at Cardano Inu? It's not out yet. It's still in works, right? I had to change the name of the stream. Bitcoin and Ethereum pumping. Plus monthly close. Because the stream name didn't really make sense anymore. All right. Let's see. What's out? What else is pumping right now? XLM keeps going. Let's check out Cardano real quick. I keep seeing Cardano. Yeah, Cardano's going too. 134 for Cardano. We know next resistance 136. We break that 149. Those are your next two. Cardano's going too though. For your Cardanoers out there. I know there's a lot of Cardanoers out there that love Cardano. Like so passionate about Cardano. I'm weird too. Only weirdos. It takes decent amount of yeah, that's true. Big Daddy. Big Daddy coming from behind. Oh geez. What are we doing here? It's creeping. It's being a little creeper. It's like slowly moving up in that like way that you don't notice it because you're so focused on the altcoins. Cardano's going too. Dude, I really can't. My back is starting to hurt from the last 10 days. All I'm doing is dancing on stream. I don't even have to go to the gym anymore. But all right, let's check out Chainlink real quick though. Holy moly, Chainlink. Let's get it, my friend. Chainlink 23.39. Chainlink making some moves too. $25 our next resistance for Chainlink. I think we'll hit that by tomorrow, I think, in my opinion. It's just we don't really have any much else in between here. So I think it just makes sense to go up to that level. Bitcoin chilling. ETH is a beast. Mr. McGee's, I have to pee. Go pee, man. Go pee. Go ahead and pee. Dot, enough said. Yeah, Fatty McDonut. Dot has been going off. Dot has been doing really good. I mean, we already looked at this earlier. I did another one of these. Because Dot went from like $17 to close to $20 in like literally 10 seconds. So I was in awe. But yeah, I mean, you pumped up here. Finally, Dot making some moves. Finally breaking this resistance that's been annoying you since, you know, the end of June. And you pumped, right? You didn't quite hit that next target, but you almost wicked right to it. which was about, you know, right about 20 bucks. So really nice move for DOT. Next up, 2603 on the pink. It's pink day. Here comes Bitcoin again. Being that little creeper. Slowly moving up, like no one wants to notice. Is Bitcoin actually in some sort of cup and handle? I don't love the downsloping cup and handles, but does this look legit? I usually like these, but look at this. Are we in some type of cup and handle pattern? If we break, we're getting resistance right at it, so it would make some sense. Is this legit? This would give us a move. Let's just check our move here. About 40, close to 43,000. Let's see if this plays out. I'm just curious. I'm just curious, guys. Yep. He has done XLM. I've done all this. Every altcoin has been pumping today, so I've probably done majority of them, honestly. At least the big ones. Broadening descending wedge. Interesting. Cup and handle on AMP. Could be. BTC behind the curtains, calling the shots. Seriously. Look at the total market cap, though. Guys, we're getting to that 1.87 trillion. Every time I say it, I say, we're not hitting that. We're not hitting that. Dead cat bounce. Dead cat bounce. It still could be a dead cat bounce, by the way. Right? So we got to break the 200 day for Bitcoin, but still. Look at this. I remember, I legit remember when we were down here, we were talking about it's possible we come back down and test here, but eventually this is a bullish pattern. It will break to the upside. Awesome. Total 2, same thing. Look at how many, look at this daily candles on total 2. Insane. And same thing for ETH. ETH has been insane. Looks like Bitcoin actually got rejected right at this downwards resistance. Look at that. Perfect. Right there. Right friggin' there, man. West Side. Saying you can't handle any more pumps is insane. That's facts. VeChain. We already did VeChain. A lot of these guys, a lot of these coins you're saying in the chat, we already did. A bunch of times, right? Yeah, VeChain, you broke out of this little triangle, right? Next target's right up here, right? Towards 9.4 cents, your previous high right here. So VeChain's making your way up there. Obviously, VeChain looking really good too. Really good. Almost back to true trillion. Facts. This sauce is tasty. The sauce? Let's go see what Ken's doing. Ken! Ken! You out here, bro? Ken? I don't know where Ken is. I kind of just wanted to say hi to his little Shibas. Look, they're so cute. They're so cute. I would never buy one of those because it's a horrible investment. But look at how cute those Shibas are. So cute. You guys know where Ken is? No? You guys are just going to stare at me like that? All right, cool. Peace out, Shibas. Friggin' Shibas. Sound like Bob now. Sound like friggin' Bob. Ken. You guys are killing me, man. You guys going in the chat. Mike said, being off. Ken Griffin. The bears will return, you'll see. Crypto bear. There's literally a crypto bear in the chat. It makes no sense to be a crypto bear. I don't understand crypto. All right, hold on.
Rant alert.
I'm giving you guys 2.
Rant alert.
And I'm picking up the mic for this one. It makes no sense to be a crypto bear. What do you get out of being a crypto bear? You push the price down What? So you can buy? You won't buy. You won't buy. You're going to be too scared. You're going to be too much of a wussy fraidy cat to buy the bottom anyway. What is the point of being a Bitcoin bear? What's the point? So you can push the price down? You make more money with it going up. So why would you want it to go down? It makes absolutely no sense. Your gains are going to be exponentially higher if Bitcoin goes up in price than it goes down. So why you guys sit in the chat, FUD Bitcoin, and do that? It makes no sense. You're literally wasting your life. What are you doing? Like, what are you doing? You're trying to push the price down of the best performing asset in the last 10 years. Go to freaking, go talk about some freaking power company and stocks or something. It makes literally no sense to try to push the price down to Bitcoin. Like, what are you doing? Just throw money in crypto, any coin. Wait 4 years. You will be exponentially higher based off history. Makes literally absolutely no sense. I don't get it. But if you want to keep being bear, I'm sure some of you guys are just trolls, right? But literally, what are you doing? Please tell me. If a bear could please tell me in the chat, it makes literally no sense. Why? And first of all, not even the bears. Why would you short the best performing asset in history? Go short some stock that's been down for the past 10 years. Why are you shorting an asset that's up thousands of percent in the last 10 years? Never mind up almost 20x at one point, literally since last year. I rest my case. And if you want to push the price down, you better buy the bottom, because you won't. You won't time the bottom. If we go down to 20K, you're going to say 10K is coming. If we go down to 10K, you're going to be saying 5K is coming. Each time you're going to be too scared to buy, right? You're going to be too scared to buy because you're a wussy, fraidy cat bear. All right? I rest my case. Why did I have Vitalik up? We're bumping it. I didn't mean to press that. I had to play the music. Makes no sense. I didn't mean to press those buttons. I didn't mean to press those buttons. That was a solid 7 rant. All right, rant score. Rant score. I really don't care about the Bears, but I really felt like ranting for some reason. Rant rating. So 1 is a good rant. 2 is a below average rant. 3 is an above average rant, and 4 is a great rant. Let me know in the chat. And if it's the best rant you ever heard, spam me the bulls in the chat. Spam me the bulls in the chat if that's the best rant you have ever heard in your life. Okay? Let's go. Man. I love doing that. I love debating. It's not really a debate because I'm the only one who can talk. But you get the general sentiment here. I curse BTC in the next 38 days. Beware. Dylan with a $2 super chat. Craig said orders getting dropped. Where's for shot when you need them? I'm getting super bullish. Going to be buying a lot of sats today. I don't think Bitcoin's done, man. We keep saying Bitcoin's done. It just keeps going, right? So I'm not counting Bitcoin out until I do see that dump. I'm done saying Bitcoin needs a dump, Bitcoin needs a dump, Bitcoin needs a dump. Because every time it does, it just gets bought up like a sack of potatoes at the grocery store, right? And we're not talking about the brown. We're not talking about the red potatoes. We're talking about the purely brown potatoes. So it's crazy. Dylan said, what the hell is going on with new Cypher pump and dump? Do you think it's going to go? I don't know about anything about new Cypher pump and dump. Let's see, new Cypher. Let's see. Holy moly. Wow.
Everybody panic, we're going to zero. Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
Man, if you got in this, I apologize, but this doesn't look too good, man. I don't really know what happened with this as far as like news or anything, but this thing felt pretty bad. 113 to 17 cents. I guess it fell pretty you know, pretty much the same as everything else, but at the same time, I don't know, man. I mean, I guess it's undervalued. You can hang your hat on that. It's probably a little undervalued. Why isn't it? Come on, Trading View. Come on, Trading View. There we go. I guess it's a little undervalued. Downwards resistance. You break this, should be pretty good to go. You gotta break that resistance though, man. I don't love this thing. You don't have any bullish divergence that's telling you you're gonna go back up. If anything, you have some bearish divergence right at resistance, which is not good. Obviously, doing your own research, this thing could pump just like every other altcoin. If Bitcoin keeps going, new cipher will keep going too. But I'd probably rather have my money in something else personally. But doing your own research, man. Margarita time. Let's get it. Let's friggin' get it, boys. 121. Actually gotta refresh this. Hold on one second, guys. Gotta refresh the stream. I gotta refresh. Do. Holy moly, man. Accidentally X'd out. Hold on, guys. I literally almost accidentally X'd out of my stream. There we go. All right. Sorry. I accidentally X'd out of my stream, guys. So you guys can probably hear me, but I can't see you. So let me get this back up. Anyways, Ethereum's just kind of chilling while I wait for to get this to back up. Ethereum's chilling like a little villain right now. Chilling like the little villain that it is, trust me. She likes to play the villain, as I would know. She loves the villain, guys. She loves playing the damn villain. And it's exactly the way you're thinking. It's normally I would say it's not the way you're thinking, but it's exactly the way you're thinking right now. As I'm getting my chat back up. I don't see what you guys are saying. Whoops. I don't see what you guys are saying, but I know what you guys are thinking. I do. Come on. There we go. All right. Perfect. All right. So that's that. There we go. BTC prediction for August. I don't know. What's the BTC prediction for August? I don't like to do predictions like that, man. A lot could happen, all right? A lot could freaking happen. You could pump up to the 20-day moving average, and then we could go back down, right? We could come back down, test the 100-day moving average. We could go back up, right? We could pump, retest the 200-day moving average, go back up. I don't like making these predictions because down here, did anyone think that we were going to be all the way back at 42,000 in the span of 10 days? No. So what would give us the thought that we would think about what's coming next year for BTC? Right? Anything could happen. We could be back down here in 10 days. We could be up here in 10 days. We could be over here in 10 days, right? I mean, there's so many possibilities. I don't think anyone in their right mind knows what BTC is going to do right now. So I'm just looking at it as sort of these two important levels, right? The 100-day and the 200-day. We could consolidate between these for a while. Certainly a possibility. You know, and I think whichever one these break first is going to be our sort of our short-term, you know, movement, right? If we break down below the 200-day, or sorry, the 100-day, I could see a retest of 36K. coming. If we get back above the 200 day, I could see us going up to, you know, 48,000, right? Those are just the two levels I'm watching right now. Anything else really in between is just kind of noise at the moment. But the noise is what's fun, right? At the end of the day. BTC needs correction. Yeah, it does. But we've been saying that for how many days straight now? BTC needs correction. BTC needed a correction right here. Right? After this pump, BTC needed a freaking correction. Never mind all these. But that's Ethereum, but my point still stands. BTC still being a little creeper, right? Everyone's not really paying attention to it right now, but it's right below 42K. So it's really creeping me out. It really is. VeChain back over 9 cents. Let's friggin' go. Let's freaking go. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're here every day from 7 to 9, watching the chats, getting hyped in the chat. That's what we do. We have fun over here. I'm adding so much more new stuff to the stream too. Obviously, you guys know who've been here forever. I like adding new stuff to the stream. I like keeping it fresh and fresh and fresh. So there's even more stuff coming. It's going to make it even better. So I'm excited to bring that over the course of the next couple days to weeks here. So make sure you guys don't miss out by hitting that subscribe button. Also hit that like button. Really helps out the stream and get out to more people too. We don't shill anything over here, by the way, guys. So if you're looking for a stream that does not shill, the only thing I shill is the price going up. All right? The only thing I shill is the price going up. Yeah, maybe if you want to become a channel member. But you do you. That's about it. Who here? Oh, this is a really good question. Who here in the chat signed up with Bybit by a oh, this is a really good poll. This is a really good poll. Hold on. This is a really good poll. All right, let's look at my rant reading. So it's always 4 is the best, 3, 2, 1 is 1's always the second best on the rant rating. The bears always just put 1 because that's how they are. They're always negative people, negative Nancys. Let's see. Who did you get your trading? Oh no, who did you get your? So the question is, guys, who did you get your so-called? Who did you get your? I'm gonna say who referred you to your T platform. So who referred you to your T platform, aka trading platform? I'm gonna do BitBoy, Carl the Moon, Crypto, other. All right. So answer that in the chat, guys. This is a really good poll. Really good poll. I'm actually interested. So it's basically who I spelled referred wrong, but you get the point. Who referred you to your trading or investment platform? Whose referral link did you use? I've always wanted to know this. Man. Nobody. BTC right at resistance. Nice. Nobody from YouTube. Other, we got mostly BitBoy, Call the Moon, Crypto. Other, 78, 76%. Freaking Google. No one. Yeah, if it's no one, just don't vote. Don't vote. But you get the general sentiment. Child of the 80s. BitBoy is my uncle. BitBoy is actually my uncle. Just so you know. I never watched those three. Yeah. Oh, it is. None. I'm not really sure either. All right. Looks like most people said Call the BitBoy, and then Call the Moon, then Crypto, and then other. So it looks like BitBoy wins. Congrats to BitBoy. Carl the Loon and Crypto making so much. There we go. Nice job. George. Ryan Mata. Ryan Mata the GOAT. I never watch Ryan Mata, but every time I see his name in a chat, it's always Ryan Mata got wrecked. Ryan Mata got wrecked. I know nothing about Ryan Mata, by the way. I never watched his stream. It's just every time I see him in the chat, I watch other streams too. All I see him is Ryan Mata got wrecked today. Man. All right, Bitcoin's chilling like a villain right now. It's literally at the same exact spot as when we started the stream. So not much else to say there. ETH, I don't think it's done tonight. I think we're gonna wake up to a $2,600 ETH. In my personal opinion. Anything else really going off right now? Not really. Everything's kind of settling down here as we get later here. The guy with the piano on BitBoy's channel. Yeah, that's a pretty cool idea. Pretty cool idea. I like the little panel. I saw you on MDX. Yeah, I'm always on MDX's stream. Every time I see MDX on a doing a a drinking stream, I'm always on there every single time. Hey, that guy's absolutely hilarious. I was watching the one where her speaker was broken. If you guys were watching that one, I was dying in there because that literally seems like me. Like if I'm really drunk, that's literally me. So that was pretty funny. I was in there watching for a little bit. I don't chat because I don't have. People always think I'm a fake, right? So I don't chat in there. My helmet is melting. It is. You had a party stream tonight. Nice. You had a party stream. MDX had a Bitcoin 100K with party with 2 girls. That's funny. Yeah, the speaker stream was funny, man. That was awesome. Good guy, but inexperienced. He kind of does hive mind. Yeah. Take your helmet off, pump over. Yeah, I mean, I like the helmet on, man. I'm probably gonna end the stream here soon, anyways, because we're dying down tonight. We're dying down. Right? So, yeah, I'm going to call it a stream, guys. Thank you for another awesome stream tonight. We had a bunch of fun. Altcoins, obviously, were the star of the show today. But I think Bitcoin's just kind of hibernating for a little bit. Letting the alts catch up to it a little bit. I'm sure the Bitcoin dominance is getting a move up here. Or getting a move down. Yeah, look at the Bitcoin dominance starting to move back down here. So, yeah, I think their Bitcoin dominance was just resetting after we hit our resistance on the Bitcoin dominance rising wedge. I expect probably a move back down here over the next couple of days. Altcoins outpacing Bitcoin. Wouldn't be surprised. So, as always, if you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that like button before you go. Thank you guys for just an awesome stream. I have so much fun on the stream, and you guys have no idea how much fun I love doing this. It brings out my creative mind, and thank you guys for allowing me to be creative. It really does mean a lot. So, I'll catch you guys later. Make sure you guys obviously do whatever you want to do with your portfolio, but don't panic, sell your crypto. All right. Peace out, guys. Have a good night. I'll be live tomorrow in the morning if you guys want a nice Sunday morning live stream. I will be live somewhere between 10 and 10:30 tomorrow, p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or a.m. Sorry. Catch you guys later. Peace.